Hey guys, today we're going to show you some tips and tricks to set up your new computer. This mostly applies to our gaming customers, but can also speed up any new PC. So the first thing we want to do is figure out if we have an AMD or Nvidia graphics card. To do that, you should go to your cart, look at our listing, and underneath GPU, it should state AMD Radeon or Nvidia GTX. If you have a Nvidia card, then we're going to want to go to this website. So now we're going to press Express Installation once it's done downloading. And yes.
One eternity later.
Alright, so now when you see this green check mark with installation complete, you now have your graphics driver. The next step is to set your monitor to 120 Hz or higher if it supports that. To find out, go back to your desktop, right click, and press Display Settings. In here, scroll down and go to Advanced Display Settings. Our Windows install is pretty new, so we have a refresh rate button right here. And make sure your monitor is set to the highest value. Ours is just 60 Hz, but yours may be higher. If you don't have this option, you can also go and press Display Adapter Properties for display. Under here, press Monitor, and the same drop down will be right here. So the next thing we're going to do is disable mouse acceleration. This is something Windows does by default, but if you're playing games, especially FPSs, you can get a lot more stable mouse control by disabling it. First thing you want to do is press the Windows key or click the little Windows icon on the very bottom left. Then type mouse settings and press enter. Here you're going to want to go down and click additional mouse options. And then in this window, press pointer options and uncheck enhanced pointer precision. And then just press OK. So if you have a NZXT H510i or H500i, H710i, 700i, or 210i, or 200i, then you have lighting in your case. And usually you can control that with NZXT Cam. So we're going to go get that right now. Once this is done downloading, just click it and press yes. So now once this is open, I like to just press continue in guest mode, but you can obviously make your own account. And click this box and press confirm. And once we're here, we can go to lighting. And I just have this one fan right here, as you can see, connected. And it's just white. But if we want to make it RGB, we can go down and go to spectrum wave. Or we can go and just go fixed and choose any color we would like to change it to. So now we're going to go and disable hibernation. I don't really ever use hibernation, and you should probably just let your computer sleep or turn off, and you can save a lot of storage on your SSD. First thing you want to do is go to the Windows and type CMD. And right click this and press Run as Administrator. When this pops up, press yes. And you're just going to type POWER CFG, all one word, space, -H, off. That's it. So now, if you have an SSD, we can actually speed it up and prolong the life of it by not having Windows write to it so much by disabling superfetch and prefetch. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the Windows key again and type reg edit and press enter. Same thing on this, press yes. So when you first open regedit, it's going to look like this. And we're going to want to go press the arrow down on HKey local machine. And then system, current control set, Services, and scroll all the way down till you find sysmain. Once here, just click on the folder, double click on this start, and change the number from 2 to 4. And press OK, and now we can close out all these applications. If you liked today's video, please check out our channel for more PC related content. Thank you.